Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We're going to do a quick tour of this 2018 Sabre 30 RLT rear living room triple slide. Got a nice fireplace, big screen TV, hide-to-bed couch, theater seating, right across from the TV. Kind of a little kitchen island-esque, not the biggest, but beautiful refrigerator, double freezers, 3-burner cooktop range oven, tall ceilings, accent lighting ceiling fan, lots of storage, our shower area, and our king bed in our front bedroom area. Lots of storage in here. Full closet across the front. Very cool little unit. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.